Good morning, students. As you all can see, I'm again with the PDF. Okay, from last week. This I was making the PDF, and this time the PDF is much more bigger and much more solution having. Okay, as you can see, I had solved all the questions of exercise 4.3 and 4.4, all questions. Okay, if you remember last time I was explained example 7, and I'll be explaining example 8 for all of you. Okay, last time I had explained this question. You might be remembering that proportional force applied. I had said about the physics also rules that you had read. So now let's see example number 8. Here it has been said, for each of the following, okay, for each of the graphs given in figure 4.5, select the equation whose graph it is from the choice given below. So here you can see for figure 4.51 it has been said. So let's see for figure 4.51. If you will see over here, what you can see here, the line is passing through the origin. Okay, it is 0 0, then after -1 -2 1 2. So let's see the options. Okay, now I'll explain you how to find it through the options. Okay, x plus y is equal to 0. This will not be the solution because 1 plus 2 is not 0. Y is equal to 2x. Yes, this can be the solution, and not this can be, this is the solution. If you will see for all 3 points, y is equal to 2x. So this is the answer, 2 is the answer. Okay, we will see how it has been explained in solution also. Okay, if you will see here in figure 4.51, the points on the lines -1 comma -2, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, by the inspection y is equal to 2x. That means by the inspections only we can find. Okay, that means we will keep the value in the equation, and if the that's coordinates, all the coordinates, not only single coordinates, all the coordinates verifies the given equation, that for the all the coordinates, if given equation becomes true, then only that equation will be satisfying the line. So it has been said by inspection y is equal to 2x is the equation corresponding to this graph. You can find that y coordinate in each case is double of that of x coordinate, which I had explained earlier. Okay, now let's move towards the second question. What it has been said over here for figure 4.52. okay, 2 number figure it is. So let's see 2 number figure. If you will see, yes, this is 2 number figure. Here it is 1604 and -2 comma 0. Okay, 1604 -2 comma 0. Let's watch over here. X plus y is equal to 0. No, when we add any of this, there doesn't comes 0. Then y is equal to 2x. Okay, is it? No, y is also not equal to 2x. In any case there is no. Then y is equal to 2x plus 4. Let's see, 2x plus 4, here it is coming. Okay, 2x plus 4, here also it is coming. 2x plus 4, of course it is coming. For all 3 points is based on this, y is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, you will say let's see this fourth option also, y is equal to x minus 4. It is not coming. Yes, x minus 4 when we do, then it becomes -3, which is not. So of course 3 is the right answer. Here also you can see in solution might be written. In figure 4.52, the points on the line are -2 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 1 comma 6. You know that the coordinates of the points of the graph line satisfy the equation y is equal to 2x plus 4. So y is equal to 2x plus 4 is equation corresponding to the graph in figure 4.5. Here also you can see simply washed by keeping the value. It has been said here, it has been not shown by keeping x is equal to this. Of course you can do in brain. In 9th your calculation should be such so that this short type of calculation should be done inside the brain itself. Okay, as you can see I washed and then after I had said. So if not, okay, if it is not happening calculation directly from your brain, no problem. You keep the value of x and y and then satisfy. Once, twice, thrice, 10 times, 20 times you will do it. Then what will happen? Automatically these solutions, these short solutions, it can be calculated by your brain. Okay, that is. So now if you will see third number figure, okay, third number figure is over here, -1 comma -6, then after 0 comma -4, then after 2 comma 0. Okay, then if you will see over here third figure, okay, sorry, third figure, x plus y is equal to 0. Is it? No, because 2 plus 0 is not 0. Y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Is it? No, because 2 into 0 is, sorry, 2 into 2 is 4 and x is y is 0 only, so that is also not. Then y is equal to 2x plus 4. Sorry, yes, below there is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Is it? Y is equal to 2x plus 1? No, it is also not. So now y is equal to 2x minus 4. Let's see, 2x minus 4. Yes, 2x means 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Let's see over here, 2x means 2 into 0 minus 4 means minus 4. Yes, 2x is equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 4, it is minus 6. Yes, so here the answer will be y is equal to 2x minus 4. Simply you can calculate it. In the figure 4.3, the points on the line are -1 comma -6, 0 comma -4, 1 comma -6, 1 comma -2, 2 comma 0. By inspection we can see that y is equal to 2x minus 4 is the equation corresponding to the given graph line. Okay, so that's all about the example. Now if you will see exercise 4.3 here. In exercise 4.3, here it has been said, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. Okay, you have to draw the graph of the following linear equation in two variables. Here one is x plus y is equal to 4. You have to draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. So for that you can keep the value of x at 0, then you will get the y is equal to 4. Again y at 0, then you will get x is equal to 4. So 2 points became 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0. Then you can keep x is equal to 1, then you will get y is equal to 3. In this way you will get 3 points and then after you will plot. You can see over here in the solutions also I had sent. What I had done, at first I had kept x is equal to 0, then I got y is equal to 4. You can see 0 plus y is equal to 4, that is y is equal to 4. So one of the solution of x plus y is equal to 4 becomes 0 comma 4. Again when I keep y is equal to 0, then x plus 0 is equal to 4, that is x is equal to 4. So next solution becomes x plus y, and the next solution of x plus y is equal to 4 is 4 comma 0. And again when I kept x is equal to 1, then 1 plus y is equal to 4, and then after this 1 went another side, then it changed into minus, so y is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So third solution of x plus y is 1 comma 3. 3 coordinate we had got. Now we will plot this and we will draw the line. Okay, so you can see now plotting 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0, 1 comma 3 in this, in the graph, sorry, in the graph, not in this, in the graph. Here on the graph also you can write. Okay, so you can see over here, this is 0 comma 4, it is 1 comma 3, it is 4 comma 0, all are joined with the straight line. This becomes x plus y is equal to 4 line. Okay, you can see here y axis, x axis, it has been done. First quadrant, second quadrant, this third quadrant, all I had written as I had explained you earlier about the quadrant. So now if you will see question number 2 over here, okay, it is x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so here also we can keep several points like x is equal to 0, then we will get y is equal to minus 2. Why minus 2? Because minus y will become 2, so when minus from this side will go, then this side there will be minus. Okay, or simply both sides, if you will divide with minus, then this side minus will be cancelled and here minus will start. In same way, if I will keep y is equal to 0, then x will become 2. So one point becomes what? 0 comma minus 2, and another becomes 2 comma 0. Now what we can do, even we can keep y is equal to 1. Okay, then minus 1 will go that side, then it will become x is equal to 3. So we can write 3 comma 1 also. So you can see here what I have done in solution. Here assuming x is equal to 0, then y minus 0 minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so y is equal to 2 I had written because this minus was this side. Okay, or simply you can say minus 1y is equal to 2, minus 1 goes this side, then y is equal to 2 by minus 1, that is minus 2 only. Okay, 2 by minus 1 is minus 2, because minus is never in denominator. In a standard form it goes in numerator only. So one of the solution of x minus y is equal to 2 is 0 comma minus 2. Again, when y is equal to 0, then x minus 0 is equal to 2. What happens? X minus 0 is equal to 2 when we assume y is equal to 0, because in place of y we kept 0. So x is equal to 2. So one of the solution of x minus y is equal to 2 is 2 comma 0. And when y is equal to 1, then x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so now minus 1 goes that side, that means x is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So one of the solution is 3 comma 1. Okay, so now plotting 0 comma minus 2, 2 comma 0 and 3 comma 1 on the graph. Let's see. This time too much solution page I had sent. You can see over here, because for each question's graph paper is required. So I had drawn for each question, each graph paper. You can see all the points I had plotted. There is 0 comma minus 2, then after you can see 2 comma 0, then after 3 comma 1, then after these all points that joined in a straight line. Okay, and this line becomes x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, in this way you have to show the line. Now if you will see question number 3 over here, in question number 3, here is y is equal to 3x. Okay, if you will see here, assuming y is equal to 0, then x what happens when we assume y is equal to 3x here. So here assuming y is equal to 0, when we assume y as 0, then what will happen? 0 will be equal to 3x. Okay, so x is also 0. Okay, in same way first solution will become 0 comma 0. Okay, if I will see now another solution. Okay, when y is equal to 6, I had kept y is equal to 6. Why? Because that's it. We have to just keep the value of y such that it will be the multiples of 3. So then we can get the value of x as an integer. So I had assumed y as 6, because 6 is divisible by 3. Then x will become how much? 6 by 3, that is 2. So next solution of y is equal to 3x is 2 comma 6. In same way, when y is equal to 3, then what will happen? 3 is equal to 3x. Suppose 3 is also divisible by 3. So what will happen? X is equal to 3 by 3, that is 1. So third solution of y is equal to 3x is 1 comma 3. So now plotting these points on the graph, if you will see. Okay, third number graph, this I had kept over here. Yes, 2 comma 6, 1 comma 3, and then after 3 points 0 comma 0 are over here. Okay, and then after this line has been joined, this becomes y is equal to 3x line. Okay students, so if you will see fourth number question, you can see this time solution page is more than the book page. If you will see fourth number question, sorry, fourth number not, yes, here our fourth number, that is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. This line how to draw? Let's see over here. Okay, there is two number. First some parts is there and some parts is in another page. You can see fourth number solution over here. Yes, y is equal to 2x plus y. Here assuming x is equal to 0, then 3 is equal to 2 into 0 plus y. Okay, so what will happen? Y is equal to becomes 3, because 2 into 0 is 0 only. So y is equal to 3. So one of the solution of 3 is equal to 2x plus y is 0 comma 3. Okay, in same way when x is equal to 1, then what will happen? 3 is equal to 2 into 1 plus y, then 2, that 2 will come this side. So y is equal to 3 minus 2, it will become 1. So I did it. Next solution of 3 is equal to 2x plus y is 1 comma 1. Why? Because we had assumed x as 1 and we got y also as 1. So 1 comma 1. Now for the third solution, you have to see the next page. Okay, next attached page. This is only the next page. Again, when x is equal to 2, then what will happen? 3 is equal to 2 into 2, because 2x is here. Okay, so 2 into 2 plus y. So now 4 will go this side. Then what will happen? Y is equal to 3 minus 4. So that means minus is bigger, so minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 will become when x is equal to 2. So third solution of 3 is equal to 2x plus y is 2 comma minus 1. Now plotting these points on the graph. Okay, let's see, I had kept 4 number. Okay, if you will see over here, 2 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1, then after 0 comma 3, and then after it has been joined, and you can see 3 is equal to 2x plus y. I had made it with pencil, but I can see it properly. I hope all of you can also see this properly in your this mobile or laptop. Since it is with pencil, okay, so you have to see it properly, then you will watch it. Okay, now we will move towards question number 2. Okay, so let's see what is there in question number 2. I think question number 2 is not of graph. Okay, here you can see, give the equation of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. How many more such lines are there and why? If students, you are continuing watching all the classes, online classes you are attending, and watching all the PDF and videos, then in text I had explained that from one single point indefinitely many line can pass it. So there can be many equation passing through this 2 comma 14. Even we can say x plus y is equal to 16. Even we can say y minus x is equal to 12, or even we can say that what saying y is equal to 7x. Many equation can be there. Okay, so that's only I had written 2 line equations I had written also, and I had given the answer also. This is not related with graph, so solution you can see of here. Question number 2 I had written. Okay, 2 number you can see here. The two equation of the lines passing through 2 comma 14 are y is equal to 7, as I said, and x plus y is equal to 16. There are infinitely many lines passing through 2 comma 14, because infinitely many line can pass from one point. Okay, you can read this about in Euclid geometry also. There is what saying postulates. Okay, I'll be explaining what is postulates, axiom, these all things in Euclid geometry just after this chapter. I think 5th chapter is Euclid geometry only. So now if you will see question number 3. Okay, solution is here, so let's move towards the question number 3. So you can see over here, question number 3. If 3.4, sorry, if if the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Okay, okay, yes, I had just watched now. That is Euclid geometry only, 5th chapter here. Here it is, if the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. So if you will see 3 number, okay, I am going down. Okay, here it has been said 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. So in place of y, what we will be keeping? This value of y, that is 4, and in place of x we will be keeping the value of x, that is 3. So what happens? 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. Okay, so now this 7 comes this side, then it will become 3a is equal to 12 minus 7, that is 5, and a is equal to 5 by 3. Why I had written 5 by 3? Because this 3 is in multiplication. When it goes in another side, it will divide. So the value of a, what we got? 5 by 3. So up question number 4. Let's see question number 4. If you will see question number 4 over here, yes. Here it has been said a taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance it is 5 per kilometer. taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as y, write linear equation for this information and draw its graph. You have to make over here linear equation also for this relation, okay, and you have to draw the graph also. You have to take distance covered as x and total fare as y. So let's see how I had made, okay, or how you can make it. If you will see question number 4, okay, here it is. Here let distance covered be x, okay, x kilometer it was, but we have to calculate, so I had a left unit, okay, unit we can understand, distance it is, so it will be kilometer only, and fare I had not kept rupees and simply I had written y. So now according to question, what will happen? Y is equal to x minus 1 into 5 plus 8. Why I am doing x minus 1? Because for the first kilometer it is 8 rupees only, okay, so x is the distance. If it is 1 kilometer, then 1 minus 1, it is 0. 0 into 5, it will become 0 and it will come 8 rupees only, okay. And for the next kilometers, what happens? 5 it is being added for each kilometer. So now if it will become 2, what will happen? 2 minus 1, 1, 1 into 5, it will be 5. So 5 will be added and 13 rupees will become, okay. If for the 3 kilometer, the 3 minus 2, it will become 3 minus 1, it will become 2. 2 into 5, 10. So 10 rupees will be added. So subsequently, so according to that, you have to think and you have to just keep the value or arrange the variable in such a way. So now if you will see, here it has been, I have just taken it out of the bracket. You can see 5 into x, it is 5x, and 5 into minus 1, it is minus 5. So to make it simple, okay, if you will see, then minus 5 and 8 when added, it becomes 3. So y is equal to 5x plus 3 is our required equation. Now we have to plot this also on the graph. So what we have done, I have just assumed x as when x is equal to 0, I had assumed that if x is 0, then y is equal to 5 into 0 plus 3, okay. So what will happen? 5 into 0 is 0 only, so y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. So one of the solution of y is equal to 5x plus 3 is 0 comma 3, okay. In same way, when you will watch over here, again when x is equal to 1, then what happens? Y is equal to 5 into 1 plus 3. We have to keep the value of x in the place of x. So it will become 5 into 1 plus 3, that is 8, okay. And when so the second solution I written, so the second solution of y is equal to 5x plus 3 is 1 comma 8. In same way, when x is equal to minus 1, although the distance cannot be minus 1, but here I am taking equation, so I can keep in equation the value of x as minus 1. Then what will happen? Then y is equal to 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So y is equal to minus 5 plus 3 and y becomes minus 2. So third solution of the equation becomes third solution of y is equal to 5x plus 3 is minus 1 comma minus 2. So hence 3 points we have got. Hence plotting the points 0 comma 3, 1 comma 8 and minus 1 comma minus 2, we get the line y is equal to 5x plus 3. So let's see where we get. This is question number 4, okay. So we will see the graph number 4 now, okay. 1, 4 already I had shown you. Now if you will see, this is the graph number 4, okay. In 2 and 3 there was no requirement of graph. So 4, if you will see, minus 1 comma 8 here you can see, okay. In same way 0 comma 3 here you can see, and minus 1 comma 2 you can see over here, okay. When we keep minus 1, then it becomes minus 1 comma 2. So these are the points, these shows the line, okay. Now if you will say, okay, minus 1 comma 8 I had kept over here, here if you will see the points, okay, okay, 0 comma 3 it is, as we had done, and then after for 1 it is 8, okay, and for minus 1 it comes minus 2, y becomes minus 2. So same thing you can see over here. For minus 1 it is 8. Sorry, it is not for minus 1 it is 8. Sorry, here it is for 1 it is 8. By mistake it has been written minus 1. Okay, it is not minus 1 comma 8, it is 1 comma 8. When a kilometer or distance is 1, then the value is 8, not minus 1 comma 8. By mistake it has been written, students. You can see over here it is 1 comma 8, not minus 1 comma 8. That you have to keep it in mind. By mistake it has been written minus 1 over there. That's why what I was inquiring by watching the question and solution again and again. So it is 1 comma 8, not minus 1 comma 8. Students, listen it and try to correct it. Okay, this is 0 comma 3. Okay, and this is minus 1 comma 2. That is also okay. So this is the line. Line is same, y is equal to 5x plus 3. Only minus by mistake it has been kept over here. Actually this is 1 comma 8 point. It is showing 1 comma 8 point, not minus 1 comma 8. So now we will move to our question number 5. Okay. So if you will see here the question number 5. Yes, it has been said from the choice given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in figure 4.6. It is just like example number 8. Okay, for figure 4.6 it has it. So let's see 4.6 over here, 0 comma 0, minus 1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1. If you will see in all there is x plus y is equal to 0. When we add we get 0. So simply we can write in this x plus y is equal to 0. Now we will say that either it satisfies or not. If you will see y is equal to x, it is x satisfying in 0 comma 0 but not in minus 1 comma 1, because minus 1 is not equal to 1. In same way, if you will see the third point also, 1 is not equal to minus 1, so this is not satisfied. And y is equal to 2x, of course in only 0 comma 0 y is equal to 2x it is satisfied, but for other points it is not satisfied. And 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x, this is not satisfied by any of the point. Okay, so if we will see now, so this here x plus y is equal to 0 will be the solution, also my answer also. And before that let's see x plus y is equal to 0, that you have to keep it in your mind. Now if you will see over here it is 2 comma 0 for the next figure. Okay, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2 and minus 1 comma 3. So if you watch over here x and y when added it comes 2 always. So if you will see that one, when it is, yes, this will be the answer. Why? Because minus x when comes this side it will become plus x. So x plus y is 2 in every case. So 3 will become the right answer and other will not become. Y is not equal to x plus 2. Okay, you can see here y is 0. Sorry, y is 2 and x is 0. Okay, but here x is 2 and y is 0. So x plus 2 if I will say, then it will become 4, but y is 0. When in x we add 2, then it becomes 4, but y is how much? 0. So this is not. In same way, if you will see y is equal to x minus 2, that is also not there, because if you will see over here this is 0 comma 2 and x minus 2, that means 0 minus 2. Okay, 0 minus 2. So what will happen? It will come minus 2, but it is plus 2. So this is not the equation. Okay, and if you will see over here x plus 2y is equal to 6, of course it is not coming in any of these 3 points. So I hope all of you had understood. Now we will go towards the solution of question number. Okay, which was the question number? It was, I think 5 it is. Okay, so 5. Let's see solution of question number 5. Students, always I am giving you 30 minutes video, not for getting bored, for getting more knowledge. So you should watch all 30 minutes video. If you are getting bored, okay, you can tell me during online class a 30-minute video. By watching we become bored, then we will be thinking and I will be making it 5 minutes shorter. Okay, so if you will see here for figure 4.6 required equation is x plus y is equal to 0, as I had said. And then after for figure 4.7 required equation is y is equal to minus x plus 2. This all can be done only by inspection. You have to inspect and you have to do, or even you can keep the value and you can inspect for all the value which equation is correct, that will become the answer. If you can do in mind, you can do it in mind. If you can't do it in mind, then you can just simply calculate by keeping all the value. That's all. So now if you will see question number 6, it is a 6 number question, depends upon this physics law only. If you will see over here, let's read the question. I will try to explain this question number 6 also today, and remaining I will be explaining you during online classes. So if you will see question number 6, what is there? If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when distance traveled by the body is 2 unit. Okay, that means a distance when it is 2 units, then what is work done? When distance is 0 unit, then what is work done? Okay, so here, as I had said, it is from physics. Okay, here it has been said work is directly proportional to distance traveled. Okay, and constant force is also, it has been given. If you all remember, you might have read work is equal to force into distance. Okay, so force, it has been said constant over here, that is 5 unit. So when we make the relation that is work is directly proportional to distance, then there the proportionality constant comes force. So we can write work is equal to force into distance, where force is constant, that is 5 only. So what will happen? If we are taking work as what? X or Y unit. Suppose if you are taking work as Y, then it will become 5x, because X is what? Distance traveled. Okay, and then we can solve. Let's see. And after solving, you have to also show that equation on the graph paper, and by watching the graph paper you have to find when distance. Okay, sorry, what is there? I will see. And I will show you. You can see here I had made work is equal to force into distance, where constant force is 5 unit. Let work done is equal to y, and x distance is equal to x. Then what will happen? Required equation becomes y is equal to 5x. So here x is equal to 2. I had kept minus 2. Sorry, before I had kept any other number that might be 2. Okay, but I had made it minus 2. Why? Because there it has been said from the graph you have to find the point 2 value. So if we will keep 2, then we will get without graph the value of 2 when distance covered is 2. So I had made it minus 2. You can see earlier it was 2 only, but I had made it minus 2. So it becomes what? 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Okay, y becomes minus 10. So first point becomes minus 2 comma minus 10. Okay, and x, when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. Second point becomes 1 comma 5. And when x is equal to minus 1, okay, then it will become 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. Okay, I had kept over here 0. Yes, 5 into 0, earlier it was 0, because there 0 and 2 has been given, so I had removed 0, and I had not taken 2, and I had taken minus 2. Okay, so you can see it becomes minus 1 comma 5. Now I had plotted this in the graph. You can see question number 5 graph. Okay, it might be earlier only. Sorry, this is 4, so 5 will be next. Okay, this is 6 number, 7 number. Sorry students, I think 5 number graph has been misplaced. Okay, 5 number graph has been misplaced, students. No problem. I'll explain you over here itself how to just plot it. Actually there is a 3 point itself. Okay, that 3 point you can plot it. Okay, and that 3 point, after plotting, what you will be doing? Actually I had made that. Yes, here it is. Sorry students, no, this is 8 number. Sorry, 5 number graph, it is 7 number, it is 6 number. Okay, 5 number graphs, I think. No, sorry, 5 number, not, sorry, this is which number? 6 number. Sorry students, it is 6 number. So I had said how it has been misplaced. So you can see here 6 number graph it is. Yes, 1 comma 5. Okay, then after minus 1 comma minus 5, minus 2 comma minus 10, you can see. And here it has been asked when the point is 2. Okay, then when point is 2, here you can see I can just draw it over here from 2. When distance covered x is equal to 2, then what is the value of y? 10. Okay, value of y is 10. So you can write from the graph, when a distance covered is 2 unit, then work done is equal to 10 unit. And when distance covered is 0 unit, then work done is equal to 0 unit. This answer I think I had not written, okay, by mistake it has been left or what, let's see. Okay, so this 1 and 2 number answer has been not written, which it has been asked. So you can write, okay, simply you can write from the graph it is clear that when distance covered is 2 unit, work done is equal to 10 unit, and when distance covered is 0 unit, then work done is equal to 0 unit. I hope all of you had understood till now, and as you can see the video is becoming more than 35 minutes. So thank you for all of you for watching this, and I will be explaining further on online class, which is today itself. By this you might have understood, today morning only I had recorded it and I had sent to you. Okay, thank you everyone.